In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join ElevenLabs affiliate program. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So by joining ElevenLabs affiliate program, this is a great way to earn commission each and every time any person signs up to ElevenLabs using your link and then make a purchase. To get started, log into your current ElevenLabs account and then head over to your profile icon that is on top here on the right side. So if you click on this, now you can see we have an option for become an affiliate. Click on this and you'll be taken to this sign up page where you can now become a partner through their partner stack program. You are told here ElevenLabs affiliate program is managed by Partner Stack, a third-party management platform. By signing up, you agree to their affiliate terms. So you have to know that you will not be dealing directly with ElevenLabs, but you will be dealing with this third-party management platform. Proceed and click on sign up for the affiliate program. And by doing so, you can see your default link will be generated, and here it is. So for my case, I already have an active affiliate account, so I just need to go ahead and grab the link, and I've copied it and start sharing. So once you're signed up from here, you can now proceed to dashboard on Partner Stack here. Enter your email address. For my case, I'll continue with the email, from which you'll be able to monitor the progress of your affiliate links. So that's how you can join ElevenLabs affiliate program. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.